guys, and I'm Shivesh here, and today I'm going to be telling you guys how to install Windows 11 on unsupported systems. Okay, step 1 for you is to install Nlight. All the files in this video will be in the description below, so you can download everything from the description. So we just install this, click finish, and then now Nlight should start up. Okay, so here we are. So the next thing that you want to do is extract the Windows 11 ISO. So if you have 7-zip, you can just extract it. Otherwise, Windows 10 has an inbuilt one, but I recommend 7-zip. So you extract this, and then this will take some time because we just want that we just want the install.wim, the file that it is processing right now. That's the only file that we will be needing for this free hack, I guess. So yeah, we just gotta wait for this to be done, and then after install.wim is copied over, we can just cancel the setup. We don't need any other file from the Windows 11 setup. So yeah, so install.wim is the only thing we will be needing. So yeah, this just has to finish soon, otherwise I'll be stuck here forever. Okay, that's done. I can just cancel this, and if you just go inside the Windows 11, the folder that it created, go into sources, there will be where is it? Where's install.wim? There it is. So there will be this install.wim file. So now you just open up Nlight and do that. So that's gonna be free. The free version is what we want, and just click OK. Now we just click add image file. Now you just have to browse to where the Windows 11 thing was extracted. So for me, it was in my desktop, new folder, Windows 11, and sources folder. So now that we have the install.wim file, we click OK, and it should come up with this screen. Now this is the time where you choose which edition of Windows 11 you want. So for the purposes of this video, I'll just select the professional version and click right click on it, and then export to ESD, and okay, alright. Compression requires a lot of resources, so yeah, you just gotta click OK and then continue. I'll be back when this is done. That the process is done. As you can see, it says it's completed. Just clicking OK, and now we have the install.esd file in here. So the next step, what you want to do is now what you do is just open up Rufus, and then once Rufus is open, just click select ISO, and select the Windows 10 ISO. And 1 second here. Where is the 1 second? There you go. Even the Windows 10 ISO, I will leave a link down below so you can refer that. So yeah, just gotta select the Windows 10 ISO, not the Windows 11 ISO. So now what you do is select MBR instead of GPT. But if your system is, well, if you have a UEFI system, you can select GPT if you want, but mine is BIOS, so I chose MBR. So now that that's done, you can just do anything you want, I guess. Just turn and just click start. And I don't need the pen drive. I mean, yeah, there's really nothing on it. Whatever data is in there, everything will be erased. So make sure to take a backup. So yeah, now just click OK, and it will just apply the Windows 10 image, and then we will have to do the next step. So yeah, I'll be right back. Okay, so now that that's done, now all you need to do is open the pen drive or flash drive to which you flash the Windows 10 ISO. Go into the sources folder and then find install.esd in the Windows 10, the USB drive that you flashed. There it is. So now that you have the install.esd selected in the Windows 10 media, delete that just like that. Now that's gone, go into the other folder that you created in which you have the install.esd, which you created from the Windows 11, yeah, the NT Lite, I think, yeah, the ESD that you got from NT Lite. Just copy that and then just paste it into the sources folder of this USB drive, and then when this copy is done, you can just install Windows like normal from it, and then it will just install Windows 11 instead of Windows 10. So yeah, I'll just be back when this copy is done. Okay, so now that that's done, as you can see, install.esd is now successfully copied over. Now you have successfully created a Windows 11 installer which can install on any which can install on any system, even if it's incompatible. So yeah, I'm gonna prove that it actually works by first showing you guys that my laptop is unsupported by opening PC Health Check, which is the tool that Microsoft provided for this, and actually showing you guys. Look, I'm clicking on check now, and yeah, this PC doesn't meet the minimum system requirements. So yeah, now I'm gonna be installing this, and yeah, I'm showing you. So yeah, I already installed it, but just for you guys, I'm just gonna format it again so that I can have a fresh install. And format complete. So yeah, now I'm gonna be booting off of this USB drive, and I'll show you guys how this actually works. Okay, so we just gotta restart our system so that we can get into the boot menu. In case of my system, I just gotta hold down F12 while rebooting. Yeah, I'm smashing F12, and here we go. I click USB, press any key, and it's now booting off of the USB drive. if you notice, that showed the Windows 10 boot logo, but that's actually the correct thing. I mean, it's correct. Don't worry, you don't do any mistakes yet. So now, as you can see, it does show the Windows 10 boot logo, but when you install, it's gonna totally be Windows 11. This is just possible because we just took the ESD file from Windows 11 and imported it to Windows 10's ISO. So in Windows 10, there's no security checks or no minimum requirements checks for TPM and secure boot or even UEFI. So yeah, click install now, and yeah, I'll show you guys exactly that this does actually work. No clickbait. You just gotta do, I don't have a product key, but if you have a product key, enter a Windows 10 product key, not 11. I'm not sure if 11 product key will work, but if you just click I don't have a product key, you can activate it later if you have a product key. So just click I don't have a product key, and then it's loading. There you go. I accept the license terms. Next, you have to do custom, because if you want to upgrade, you have to run this tool within Windows. Click custom, and then select whatever partition you want to install this to. I got Windows 10 on this partition, and this partition is completely free, so I'm just going to be installing to there. And yeah, this does work. I'll be right back when this is done. You know what? I'll just do a time lapse of this so that you guys know that it does work and I'm not doing any under the, off-camera magic to make it work. So yeah, I'm gonna do a time lapse of this, which starts right now. And here we are in Windows 11. So yeah guys, that's gonna be the end of this video. If you came to a conclusion that Windows 11 can be installed on any system, whether it meets the system requirements or not, but there is a hard limit. You can't go like way old and hope that this works. So yeah, by the way, as I said in the beginning of the episode, I said that Windows 11 is not Windows 11 without the security features that Microsoft implemented with the TPM and secure boot, because there are rumors out there that Microsoft is going to add a PC system requirement not met watermark, just like the activate Windows watermark. So I'm not sure whether it affects anything, but also Microsoft says that if you install Windows 11 on a unsupported machine, you will not get updates, not at all. So yeah, it's advised not to install Windows 11 on unsupported system because it's really not secure. So, but you can still do it if you really want it, I guess. So yeah, I'll just prove it that it's actually working and it's actually genuine by going onto the desktop. But as I said, it's not recommended to install Windows 11 on an unsupported system. So yeah. I'll just create a pin. Very simple. Because I'm not going to be intending on using Windows 11 as my main operating system, because, as I said, it's just not secure enough. Yeah. What just happened? Oh yeah, the display driver automatically installs in Windows 11. I think that's it. Next. Accept. I don't care about whatever they say. I accept everything. Gaming. Accept. Let's go. Only save files to this PC. That's enough. I don't care about cloud storage. No thanks. Skip for now. I don't have $1 a month, that is. And here is the out-of-box experience. This will take... It won't take a few minutes. It's pretty quick, okay? I've done this before. This is my second time installing Windows 11 on an unsupported system. I mean, if you count the number of times I've installed it in a VM, it's more than that, probably. Yeah. By the way, I have no idea if this works, if Secure Boot is on, because we have modified the installer of Windows 10, that is. Yeah, I'll be right back. Okay, there we are. We're in Windows 11 on an unsupported system. Just to prove it, I'll run tpm.msc to prove that I don't have TPM, as you'll see in a minute. Yeah. Compatible trusted platform module cannot be found on this computer. Look, okay. Now I'll even show you that I don't have Secure Boot. Just like this. By opening system information. Of course, as you can see, Secure Boot states unsupported. And it doesn't even have legacy. I mean, it doesn't even have UEFI. It's legacy. It's BIOS, bro. Alright, so that concludes it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching, and see you all next time. See ya, guys.